Good day everyone. Today I will report the first part of Region 9. Before we start, this chapter presents the major tourist destination areas of Zamboanga Peninsula region. The major discussions will be on access, health, and safety issues, geographical characteristics, major attractions, gastronomy, and distinctive cultural attributes of the region related to the development and promotion of tourism in Philippines. Objectives. At the end of the chapter, students should be able to identify the different major attractions, activities, accommodations, and cultural highlights in the provinces with the Zamboanga Peninsula. Create different tour packages that carry different types of tourism activities within the region, and assess the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the region in terms of the forecast of tourism. Introduction. The Zamboanga Peninsula was previously known as Western Mindanao. Before, the Zamboanga Peninsula consists of these provinces, namely Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga del Sur, and Zamboanga Sibugay. Zamboanga City is considered a highly urbanized city of the region. Pagayan City is a regional capital. Fast facts about Region 9. Province Zamboanga del Norte. Capital Dipolog City. Land areas 730,100. Major industries: agriculture, fishing, mining, coconut industry. Number of cities 2. Number of towns and municipalities 25. Zamboanga del Sur. Capital Pagayan City. Land areas 591,416. Major industries: agriculture, rubber, fishing, wood, mining. Number of cities 1. Number of towns and municipalities 26. Zamboanga Sibugay. Capital Ipil. Land areas 360,775. Major industries: wood, agriculture, livestock, poultry, fishing. Number of cities 0. Number of towns and municipalities 16. Zamboanga City. Land areas 141,470. Major industries: trade, agriculture, fishing, furniture and wood, ornamental, horticulture, textile, processed marine products. Ports of access. The Zamboanga Peninsula has an international airport and 2 domestic airports. It is also accessible by boat and land. By air, daily flights are offered by Philippine Airlines and Cebu Pacific Air from Ninoy Aquino International Airport to Zamboanga International Airport, Dipolog Airport, and Pagayan Airport from Manila. Cebu Pacific also has regular flights to Zamboanga City via Cagayan de Oro and Davao City. Zamboanga International Airport, Dipolog Airport, Pagayan Airport. By sea, Ocean Jet, Tugo, Montenegro Lines, and Allison Shipping Lines, and Super Shuttle Ferry are some of the ferries that offer trips to Zamboanga. Ports. The ports of Zamboanga, an international port, has a scheduled passenger ferry going to and from Sandakan, Malaysia. Several shipping lines also offer regular trips from and to Jolo, Bongao, and Isabela City. Here is the ports in Zamboanga City and Dapitan City from Manila, Cebu, and Dumaguete. By land, There are different bus lines that offer trips to Zamboanga from Dipolog, Pagaydian, Cagayan de Oro, and vice versa. Only Pilantraco covers the Manila to Zamboanga route and has daily trips via Bacolod, which takes 38 hours. Getting around, taxis, jeepneys, tricycles, and habal-habal are available to the provinces to get around in cities, municipalities, or barangays.
Attraction and activities. Zamboanga del Norte. Historical, cultural, and heritage attraction. Fort de Dapitan. Rizal National Park. About Rizal Park, hailed as one of the largest urban parks in Asia. Rizal Park, Luneta, Luneta is one of the Manila's iconic destinations. As the Philippine National, it is the final resting place of the Philippine national hero. Ancestral houses, a beautiful turn-of-the-century wooden structure. The Adasa Ancestral House is the one of the fascinating heritage houses in Dapitan and built by Don Anyo Adebedo Adasa in 1990s. An influential and prominent politician, he once served as the cabeza de barangay before the Philippine Revolution against Spain. The ground floor is local tourism office. Pagsulubok Circle. The Welcome Rotonda Fountain, also called Pagsulubok Circle Fountain, features a monument depicting the three groups of settlers of Mindanao: the Christians, the Muslims, and the indigenous tribes or Lumad. Natural attraction: Tapitan Bay, Aligway and Sinilog Islands, Sungkilaw Falls, Cogon Ecotourism Park, Sikaya Beach. Built attraction: St. James Church, Casa Bernedo, Linabo Peak, Dapitan City Plaza, Gloria's Fantasyland, Zamboanga del Sur. Natural attraction: Lakewood, Lake Dasay, Mount Timolan, Mount Susundalaga, Pulacan Falls, Suminot Cave, Dawdaw Islands. Built and attraction: Aurora Mountain Resort, La Suerte Hanging Bridge, Zamboanga Sibugay. Natural attraction: Sibugay Bay, Pululaum, Pandilusan Islands, Molbol Cave, Tagbilat Falls. Built and attraction: Philippine Rubber Plantation, Noah's Ark, Zamboanga City. Historical, cultural, and heritage attraction: Zamboanga City Hall, Badjao Burial Grounds, Fort Pilar, Rio Hondo Village, Yakan Weaving Village. Natural attraction: Santa Cruz Islands, Mount Pulong Bato, Merloquet Falls, Pasonanca Eco Park. Built and attraction: Zamboanga Cathedral, Paseo del Mar, Talok Sangay Mosque, Kawa-Kawa Boulevard, Jardín Maria Clara, Zamboanga Golf and Country Club. Zamboanga del Norte. Range and accommodation: mid-range. Food delicacy: Spanish sardines, lechon, halang-halang, bass oy, balbakwa, taklobo kilawin, talaba, tiwala itum. Recommended pasalubong: chicken pizza, lokot-lokot, barkilos, battled sardines, bagoong gata, tarts nuts, malong, yakan, maranaw and tausug handicrafts, fresh seafoods, fruits, souvenirs.
Hello sir, I'm James Andrew L. Cruz. I'm presenting Festival and Special Event. First one, Zamboanga del Norte. Province of Zamboanga del Norte is a province in the Philippines situated within the Zamboanga Peninsula region. In Mindanao, it's a capital Dipolog, and the province borders Zamboanga del Sur, Zamboanga Sibugay to the south, Misamis Occidental to the east, and the Sulu Sea to the west. Zamboanga del Norte is the largest province of Zamboanga Peninsula region by land area, covering 7,301 square kilometers. Zamboanga del Norte is a 26 populous province in the Philippines. First one, Buklog Festival, February 2. Buklog Festival, culture tradition from the Philippines in the form of Thanksgiving ritual practiced by the Subunan people who live on the Zamboanga Peninsula, the southern part of the Philippines. This ritual system is carried out as a form of gratitude of the spirit for positive life experience such as abundant harvest, recovery from an illness or calamity, or recognition of newly appointed leaders. Second one, Hodyaka Festival. Hodyaka del Norte, also known as Hodyaka Festival. It is a cultural festival and founding anniversary celebration in the province of Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. Every June 6, a week-long celebration, it is the festival of all cultural festival in the province, a gathering of its cities and towns that comprise it. In 2022, it bore the name Hodyaka sa Kadaugan sa Katauhan, sa Norte. Translate to the celebration of victory of the people in the Norte, and shortened as the Kaza 2022 Festival, or simply Kaza. Third, Kinabaya Festival. Kinabaya is an annual observance of the Pitan City's fiesta in honor Saint James the Greater, the Moon Slayer. Held every July, Sinug and Kinabayo have become a festivity. Let's move to the second part, Zamboanga del Sur. Zamboanga del Sur is a land known for its rich heritage, majestic natural attraction, and colorful festival that showcase the uniqueness of its friendly, industrious people in its vibrant, colorful culture. These festivals are celebrated throughout the year, featuring lots of dancing, parade, feast, and competition with people from all over the country being invited to join in the merriment. First, Conchinta Festival. Conchinta Festival of Malay, Zamboanga del Sur, celebrated on April 26, is a thanksgiving for a bountiful harvest. The dance step depict various stages of harvest, followed by step depicting peace, in unity, and love among people. Second, Megayon Festival. Megayon Festival is a culture festival and the founding anniversary celebration of the province of Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. Every September 17, the date is also called Araw ng Zamboanga del Sur, Zamboanga del Sur Day. Let's move to the third part, Zamboanga Sibugay. Zamboanga Sibugay is a province in the Philippines located in the Zamboanga Peninsula region in Mindanao. Its capital is Ipil and its borders Zamboanga del Norte to the north, Zamboanga del Sur to the east, Zamboanga City to the southwest. To the south lies Sibugay Bay in the Moro Gulf. First, Sibug-Sibug Festival. Sibug-Sibug Festival is an annual grand event every February 15 to 26 in celebration of the founding anniversary of the province, highlighted Binibining Sibugay, street dancing, trade fair, sport fest, and the longest Talaba Grill, showcasing the biggest, juiciest, and meatiest Talaba oyster. Capital site, Ipil Heights, Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay, the site of the festival. Second one, Pasalamat Festival, a street dancing competition. every January 15 to 29, featuring the traditional way of holding Thanksgiving celebration among the Subanens and Kalibugans and the locality. The site of the festival is in the sports complex, Tungawan Elementary School, Tungawan, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Third, Kasikas Festival, an annual event honoring Senior San Jose Mamumuo, falls every May 1. The patron of Ipil, the celebration or town fiesta, is highlighted with religious procession, choral competition, and the other. They also have parade or street dancing competition featuring the lechon or roasted pig. Ipil Municipal, Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay is the site of the said festival. Fourth, Bangus Festival. Every December, Bangus Festival is celebrated at Barangay Monching, Siay, Zamboanga, Sibugay is the Thanksgiving featuring the abundance of the bangus or milk fish as a prime product in the locality, and it's highlighted with culinary contests. Fifth, Kasadyaan Festival. Kasadyaan Festival, December 15 to 19, in Diplahan, Zamboanga, Sibugay. The Kasadyaan Grand Celebration commemorating the founding anniversary of the municipality of Diplahan. Highlights of the festival include street dancing, parade, and Miss Diplahan. Let's move to the port part. Zamboanga City. Zamboanga City, City and Port, Western Mindanao, Philippines, is a busy port strategically located on the southwestern tip of the Zamboanga Peninsula on Basilan Strait and sheltered by Basilan Island. The immediate coastal lowlands are narrow with low rugged hills located as a short distance inland. Zamboanga's Spanish style of architecture, fine beaches, and mountainous backdrop combined with a climate that is a cooler, less humid than that Manila to make it a favorite tourist spot. First, the Zamboanga Hermosa Festival or Fiesta Pilar is an annual celebration in honor of the patroness of the city of Zamboanga, Our Lady of the Pilar. The Zamboangueños are known for their fervent devotion to Our Lady of the Pilar, or better known to them as Nuestra Señora la Virgen del Pilar, because of the miracles believed to perform as inscribed in history books on Zamboangueño. Second, Regatta de Zamboanga. Regatta de Zamboanga Festival is the biggest and oldest, most colorful event in the year. Happens in the October month each year during the first 12 days of the month. Each year, many Bintas join the race. Note, only Zamboanga resident can join the race competition or are fishermen who stay along the city sides. And the major cultural group, Visayan, Cebuano, Chabacano, and the Tausog. Chabacano is the Spanish-based dialect spoken in the Zamboanga Peninsula, which is diminishing in number with one strand already extinct in its linguistic history. The dialect dates back to over 400 years old with roots coming from Spanish influences. The name Tausog supposedly means people of the current throat is also said derived from Tao, person, and Saug, which is the old name for the island of Jolo. This widespread group has a large population in Malaysia as well as the Philippines. Major industry. Fishing, agriculture, and mining are the region's major industry. The region produces the most fish and accounts for almost 1.5 of the country. Fish production is a supply 70% of the domestic requirements for dried fish. It's also considered as the sardines capital of the Philippines. Coconuts are also extensively grown in the region, making Zamboanga Peninsula a major producer of virgin coconut oil and edible oil for domestic market. It also has huge deposit of precious mineral including gold, silver, copper, chromite, iron, and other minerals. Language and dialect: English, Cebuano, Visayan, Subanon, Chabacano, Zamboangueño, Ilonggo, Tausug, Tagalog, and Spanish are spoken within the region. Travel trivia: Zamboanga City is called Sardines Capital of the Philippines. This is because 9 of the 12 sardines companies in the country are in the city. Other names for the city are Asia, Latin City, and City of Flowers. The city of Zamboanga is politically divided into 98 barangays of various. Yun lang po. Thank you.